Just a couple of final big picture concepts I want to stress before we really dive in. For starters, you can't seem to be an angry person in the media and be attractive to people and attract people to your ideas. Now, you certainly can be angry about a particular policy, a particular action, a particular infraction of your civil rights, your civil liberties, but you can't seem like an angry person. If you're just yelling and snarling and just seem negative and angry, it's going to turn off people. I'm not suggesting you have a big, happy, smiley face all the time, but it is important to differentiate between the issue and who you are as a person. So I want to really, really stress, you cannot seem angry if you want to be effective. You can't seem like someone who's just sour on life, bitter about life, bitter about what some priest did to you 50 years ago. Not making light of that, if that is your issue, but if that's your defining issue, you're not going to be spreading a message that's going to attract more people to your secular activist causes. So I want you to try to focus on, if you do want to project anger, it's got to be limited. It's got to be focused in a particular area. And in general, you have to seem like you're happy about your principles and that they give you joy, because otherwise, why should other people be attracted to them? The second big concept I have to stress is never defend. We'll go into more detail about this in the whole section on answering questions, but anytime you are defending yourself in the media, you're already losing. You cannot win if you defend. You're ceding the premises to your opponent. So never defend. Always say simply what's good about you, what's good about your secular activist principles, your viewpoints, what you're doing to help preserve our society, to help people in your community live better lives or live devoid of government intrusion into their lives, as the case may be. But never, ever defend. Say what you're doing that's good, and then say what the other side is doing that's wrong, that's bad, that's destructive. Don't ever waste time telling somebody why you aren't bad, or why you aren't evil, or why you aren't immoral, or why you don't believe in something. Don't spend time defending. Don't spend time telling people what you aren't or don't believe. Spend time telling people what you do believe, what's good about you, what's good about your positions, what's good about your philosophies, and what the problems are with the other side. Do that, and you'll be in much better shape with every single media encounter you have.